You got your family on board, everyone's excited for your first boating trip in months. You get underway and you hear the deafening alarm go off. Hi, I'm Eddie Protzeller, the inventor of ImpelPro. If you're a boat owner like myself, you know the importance of regular maintenance to keep your boat running smoothly. One of the key components that often gets overlooked is the impeller. It's a small but crucial part that needs to be checked and replaced regularly. Trust me, no one wants to hear an alarm that leads to engine overheating, costly breakdowns, and downtime. That's why I created the ImpelPro Impeller Puller. This tool is designed to make impeller replacement quick, easy, and hassle-free. Let me show you how it works. With ImpelPro, all you need to do is attach the tool to the impeller. Tighten the arms onto the rubber body, thread the rod in to pull the impeller out effortlessly. Regular impeller maintenance is crucial, especially if you run your engine dry or suck up debris like sand or seaweed. A worn or damaged impeller can lead to overheating and engine failure, leaving you stranded and ruining your day on the water. At ImpelPro, we believe in making boating more enjoyable and less stressful. Our tool is designed with you in mind, ensuring that impeller replacement is a task that anyone can accomplish. ImpelPro has been tested in various conditions to guarantee smooth pulling again and again. Whether you're a seasoned boater, like myself, or just starting out, ImpelPro is here to save you time and frustration. With ImpelPro, you can replace your impeller quickly and get back to enjoying your time on the water with your family and friends.